Hi, and welcome back to part 3 of the unboxing review of Transformers Generation Cyber Battalion Walgreens exclusive Autobot Prowl. So where we last left off was right here, which was about step 3 with the legs. So pretty much just saying, have his legs open like this. So if we kind of go back to step 2, so now going back to step 3, you just say turn him over and fold the feet in. They don't say anything about connecting the legs, but you should connect the legs. So they actually skip that step about using the double tab. So there is a tab right there. And another tab right down here. So do tab both in, which is kind of hard, but it will tab in. And then it's saying just, flip it over like this. And then, of course, you are going to have to re-tab it. Right there. And finally, just saying just rotate the arms like so. And push them inwards. So make sure that the little tab right there slots into the underside of the little door panel over here. So you just want to push and stuff. So come on. And what I find is you pull up a bit and then push in and then it should work. So up a little bit and then so go up, in, and then drop it down like that. So again, kind of want to push up a little bit, as you can see. Not that much, but just a little bit. Then inward. Once you get behind there, just kind of let go, and then it should all fall and snap into place. And there is Prowl in his little cruiser mode, which is pretty cool. Now the wheels actually, whoa. So they do whoa, but here's something that I noticed. These wheels are more on the ground than with Sideswipe. I mean, Sideswipe, half of his wheels are touching the ground, the other half is not touching the ground. But this one, whoa, is a lot better. This one, like that. This one, well, if I were to, whee! This one, I'm getting the same amount of pressure as this one, and look, this one goes, this one doesn't. Don't know why, but for some reason the wheels feel really tight everywhere. I mean, like the front wheels and mostly the back wheels. So I don't know why they feel real, tight. Because I'm not seeing anything like as a bits of plastic flashing like from the mode that would stop them from welding that good. But yeah, little old Prowl is of one that's not going to be catching Sideswipe. So if it's like, hey, Sideswipe, slow down, you gotta obey the speed limits on Earth. He's like, yeah, no, I'm not a car, I'm a Transformer. You can't catch me. And he's like, yeah, you're right. Look, I can't catch you. I can barely go. And he's like, whee, look. And he's like, eh. I kid you not. This one, I have no idea of what they did to this one for why its wheels are stuck and really slow. I mean, you can see it with my fingers and hand. They're, rolling, but when I have it on the table, it just doesn't really want to go for some stupid reason. While Sideswipe, he goes a lot. I can't figure out why, because I'm not seeing, like I said, any extra bits of, stuck plastic flashing, like from the mold, that they, didn't trim off, that would hinder, the wheel movement. It's not like, oh, they pushed it in too much, because, as you can see right here, where the wheel can actually pop off, because, it is a transformer, so they didn't put a pin there to just, like, press fit it, and, yeah. Because when I do this, I can see them moving, but it's just odd and strange, because it's not like, oh, it's misaligned, like, there's any gaps or something that'd be like, oh, door pin has to be pushed upwards, or it didn't snap in. It's all lined up, tab, slotted in place, so I just don't know why. So yeah, that's kind of weird that, it just doesn't want to do that. Also, another thing that's kind of weird is why does Chase only have... Not Chase, I'm thinking of, Chase from Rescue Bots. Because, he's a police car too. Prowl. Why does Prowl only have 6 steps, while, Sideswipe has 8 steps. So both step 1 is the same, twist the head. Step 2, flip the hood up. But step 3 is different. On Sideswipe they say put the arms down, while Prowl is saying just turn him over and flip his feet in. Step 4 on Sideswipe then says, put the feet in, and then step 5 on Prowl says, not Prowl, on Sideswipe, step 5 on Sideswipe says tab the feet. Step 4 on Prowl just says, just put the feet and turn them over so that they lock in place here. They don't say anything about tabbing. Step 5 on Prowl says just, rotate the arms so that they look like they're going to go into connection. Which step 7 says on Sideswipe, just, connect the feet to the top for the hood, or the top, part. So it doesn't look like, hey, I got feet sticking out the back. It's like, oh yeah, it's like a little bit out in the trunk. And step 6 says, slot the wheel arms in so they look like car doors for Prowl, and then for Sideswipe, step 8 says that. So I can see definitely what they did. They definitely kind of skipped some steps and stuff. So some of the minor details, like, tabbing the feet together, they didn't bother to put that one on there. And let's see, like, rotate the arms down. They didn't bother to put that one on there too. If they did those 2 steps, So this one is technically a 8-step changer if you think about it, because you still are going to have to rotate the arms down, just like with Sideswipe here, and you are going to have to tab the feet together, again, just like Sideswipe. So you are going to have to go step 3 and step 5 from Sideswipe. Same thing to do on Prowl. So they just didn't want to put those extra steps on there and fill the bots, you know, from here to here. They just wanted to go from there to there. Don't know why they kind of cheaped out a little bit, but yeah, that's kind of what they did. So yeah, so that's the side-by-side comparison with them. Sideswipe is a little bit better with his grill and stuff from, you know, that point. And here's how big he is in vehicle mode next to a deluxe class fitter, Chrome Dome. So there's that. So yeah. So yeah, is, you know, it worth it for $15 over at Walgreens for this exclusive Cyber Battalion, you know, Prowl fitter? Probably not. I mean, if you get an MP, you know, Masterpiece one, it'll probably be more worth it for that type. For Prowl, I don't know, he just doesn't really seem that great. I mean, the leg portion seems pretty